what is about, if you are using Binance and you want to get the USDT wallet address, this video is for you. What you have to do, guys, you need to click on wallet, fiat and spot, and then you want to scroll down. At the very bottom you will find here USDT. Okay, you want to scroll down and you want to search for USDT. This is it, USDT. Next to which you want to click on deposit, and this is very important. Pay attention to this. You want to select the network, which is let me just search for the right network for this. So this is the network, it's called BNB Smart Chain, and this is your wallet address. Okay, now if you are sending this wallet address to someone, make sure you tell them the network is BNB Smart Chain. Okay, it's very important. Copy it and then send it to the person that is going to send you USDT to your account. So hopefully this video helped you. If it does, let me know in the comments if you need any help. If it does help you, drop a like, and see you guys next video.